this one now, the question is going directly to you. What has been your best moments and worst moments you have had?
It's so difficult. I mean, I don't know. I don't. I don't know. What are my best moments? I don't know. I really don't know. God gave me a very good wife. Beautiful children. I don't know. Yes. I don't know. I have had very close shaves with death, no doubt about it, but God has always seen me through, you know. Um, my life has been a source of joy to me because I give joy to other people and it makes me happy, you know. Yeah.
Okay. So, in your career, what has been the worst script that you have interpreted? And the best one that you have interpreted?
When I did Things Fall Apart, I was compelled to beat my wives. I've never beaten a woman in my life, and I hurt them in the process. I didn't like it, but I was following the script, you know.
Directed.
Yeah, I mean, I have never beaten a woman, and in one production, patients who insulted me, I had the permission of the director to beat her, and I did, you know. Yeah, I mean, there is something you will not tolerate, you know. We were following the script, right? But when patients accused me of sleeping with my housemaid, I told the director, let me beat her, I can't take this.
And you did.
I did. I apologized to her, you know. Patience is somebody I love a lot, you know, very much, and I had to apologize to her, you know.
Off the set. Off the camera.
Yeah, up there, camera, naturally, you know, I had to apologize to her.
On the camera, you beat
I
her.
beat her thoroughly. Yeah, I smacked her ass, you know. I didn't. I enjoyed Things Fall Apart. It projected me onto the world stage, and well, there is no actor that is known as I am internationally because of Things Fall Apart. I mean, by the time we did Things Fall Apart, it had been translated into 53 languages. Right now, it's over 70 languages, yeah, you know, and people always remember it, you know. There are photographs of Petedochie all over the world, and, you know, gives me joy because all the glory must go to God who has kept me alive, you know. Yeah.
That's nice. So what's your advice to the younger ones aspiring to become actors?
The younger ones who are aspiring to become actors, first, they must read and read and read. If you acquire a mastery of the language, which is our lingua franca, then you can interpret any script that is given to you in your own words. You're not supposed to regurgitate your script and just put it out. No, that's not acting. But you see, the script is a guide. Read the script, interpret it in your own language so that it goes down well with the people who are watching it. If you're just reproducing what is written in the script, people can tell by looking at you, you know. So, get a mastery of the language. If I go to school first, if you can, go to a university, get a good degree, English, history, anything, literature, anything that will make you read and read and read so that you can communicate very effectively, right? Without running into the creeks, the use of language, better. But today, most of our youths don't read anymore. They Google and all that stuff, and they spell very badly, and, you know, you people don't read anymore. You don't, you know. When we were growing up, There were so many celebrated authors who were compelled to read, right? Charles Dickens, Oliver Goldsmith, Thomas Hardy, of course, it's William Shakespeare. And if you read all those things, you will have a very strong communicative command of language, so that whenever you are interviewed, you can enthrall the people with your employment of words, right? But I don't see such things anymore. I listen to some of the actors. Read. Yeah, my advice, let them read and read, so that you stand out whenever you talk. People are held spellbound. They look at you, they're enthralled, But if you keep getting into some rough edges with your language.
Okay, so thank you very much, sir. Thank you. I so much appreciate your time. Thank you very much. God bless you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Oh, thank you. Thank you. Thank you for watching.